my first ever Adidas 4D sneakers. I am hyped. I am super hyped. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having an amazing holidays and Merry Christmas to everyone celebrating. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my Christmas pickups. I got a bunch of items in from a ton of different brands ranging from Oakley, Adidas, Vans, North Face. So today's video is actually part 1 and I'll be uploading part 2 later this evening. So I have 3 videos planned for today. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and if you guys want to stick around to the very end, I'm actually going to be announcing a brand new Yeezy giveaway for a pair of 350 V2. So stick around to the very end of the video if you guys want to enter the giveaway for these, and I'm actually going to be announcing the winners for 2 of the Yeezy giveaways we just ran for 2 pairs of Sesames over on Instagram. So it's at SneakerTalkCA and at SneakerTalk365. So I'll mention more of the giveaway stuff at the end of the video, but today I'll be showing you guys my Christmas pickups or gifts that I was given. So some of the stuff from my family and some of the stuff from a brand known as Adidas. So a huge thank you to Adidas for sending over these 2 pairs of sneakers. I absolutely love them. I opened them last night when I got home. And also, if you're a fan of the sweater I'm wearing right now, it's by Deface Toronto, Deface Streetwear. I'll leave them linked down below. Definitely one of my favorite sweaters right now. You can use code SneakerTalk to get a discount on top of their Christmas sale. 3M accents, red, black, really nice embroidery. I've talked about the sweater a ton on the channel already. Deface, one of my favorite brands. Again, use code SneakerTalk for a discount. So yeah, if you guys had some Christmas money, you wanted to buy some dope exclusive streetwear, then Defaced is the company I recommend you guys check out. Local to Toronto. And yeah, with that said, let's get started with the Christmas pickups. So the very first item is actually a gift from my MCN, the network I'm signed to Much. They sent over some fancy wine in this bottle right here. It's pretty dope. And the name is Veuve Clicquot. But this is the champagne right here. So it has like a cool traveling container, which is dope. And you just unstrap the leather part right there, undo the zipper, and it reveals, bam, the bottle right here. Now, I'm not a huge wine drinker, but it is the holidays, so I think I will dabble in with this. And it's a little bit expensive. It's like $100 or something like that. So yeah, thank you much. I appreciate the love. Next up, let's get to a gift from my sister. My sister actually got me a Overwatch mug. Now, you guys know Overwatch is my favorite game at the moment. I used to stream. I will be streaming again very soon with my girlfriend Natty as well. Overwatch, my Twitch is linked down below, twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA, and this is the mug my sister gave me. It is an Overwatch mug with Reaper on it, and I used to main Reaper back in like season 1, season 2. So this is the mug for my sister. Thank you, Nikki. I really appreciate it. This will become my most used mug now because I absolutely love Overwatch. Anyways, the next item is from my mom. My mom gave me this right here, a bamboo home luxury bedding set. It's basically some linens for my bed. I bought myself a really nice mattress for my birthday over the summer, and I did not buy any new like sheets or anything. I've been using the same sheets for like the last 6 to 10 years. So my mom went ahead and got me some bed sheets. So very practical, something I'm gonna be using like a ton. So thank you, Mom. In my Santa sock, yes, shout out to Santa, we got a couple of pickups. We have some Nivea Men shower gel because Santa knows I stink really bad. We also got some of these Parolini chocolate hazelnut little chocolate thingies right here. Pretty yummy. Usually get those around Christmas time. We got some sour straps. This is one of my favorite candies of all time. I usually buy this whenever I go to Dollarama. I love eating these, and sometimes when you eat too much, it makes your tongue like a rainbowy color. So sour straps. And we also got what might be the best chocolate for the holiday season, Ferrero Rocher. Shout out to the Ferrero Rocher gang. I'm also a huge fan of Toblerone and the Lindt chocolates, but Ferrero Rocher has got to be my favorite. If you're a fan of Ferrero Rocher, comment Ferrero gang in the comment section down below. Final pickup for my Santa sock. This was in the box. We got a lint roller. You guys know with Misty and with pets, you'll get a lot of fur on your clothing, especially if you're wearing nice clothing. You don't want to have it covered in fur because it just makes you look like a fool. So we got a lint roller. I love lint rollers. That's really weird, but yeah, I like lint rollers. Now let's get to the 2 sneaker pickups from Adidas. Now the first one is a pair of Audrey Boost. As you guys know, Boost Week, a lot of the Boost models have been popping like crazy. So we got a pair of Boost sneakers right here. And the second pair of shoes is not Boost. it's not Boost, and they're actually more expensive than Boost, because Boost is expensive. Let's face it, Audrey Boost are pretty expensive, especially at full retail price. But the second pair of shoes they sent over are a pair of 4D shoes. Thank you, Adidas. A pair of 4D sneakers. I'm so hyped to try these out. I'm so freaking hyped to try these out. I'm gonna show you guys the pair of Ultra Boost that Adidas sent over a couple of weeks ago, which I have not shown you guys, and they are, bam, these right here, the Adidas Ultra Boost in the navy multicolor colorway. Now this sneaker is actually inspired by the Chinese New Year Ultra Boost 1.0s, I believe, and the only real differences between these and that model from the past is that the Chinese New Year ones have a special tag on the tongue of the shoe, which makes it look really cool. This version right here actually just has a simple Adidas branding right there with a 3M accent, so pretty fresh. I'm a huge fan of these. The Chinese New Year Ultra Boost are a sneaker I'm obviously not gonna ever justify paying a resale for, so the fact that they made like a GR, more accessible version to the shoe, and it's available right now in stores is really great. So if you guys wanna cop these sneakers, I'll leave them linked in the description down below, along with the other shoes from today. However, I think the other shoes from today are sold out. So the first sneaker is the Audrey Boost inspired by the Chinese New Year 1.0. So let's throw these on feet and I'll be right back with the next shoes. So the next Ultra Boost we are going to grab are in this yellow and purple box. No special packaging, but this is a limited release from a couple of years ago. This is actually a shoe as well that sold out instantly and had a lot of resale value. So I am super happy that Adidas brought these shoes back in 2018, giving all of us who took an L that first time an opportunity to cop these. And these are actually available at some stores. They're still sitting in some select locations. They probably are sold out online, so I'll leave links in the description if there are any places that you still can buy. But this right here are the cream or chalk Adidas Ultra Boost. And oh my guys, look at these beautiful Ultra Boost. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. These are super nice. The material is almost like a wool material if you look closely on the toe box. It's not that regular like prime knit material that we're used to. And yeah, these are just ridiculously fresh, ridiculously nice Adidas Ultra Boost cream chalk. I forget the exact name, but it is a limited pair as described on the box. I think these were pretty heavily mass-produced this time around, so hopefully you guys can cop them if they are still available. And this is a colorway I believe that Kanye West made very popular. I think he wore these. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on it, but these are really nice. We have this cream chalk upper. We have the Adidas Ultra Boost branding in silver and gold on the back booty right there. And just overall, a really clean and simple Adidas Ultra Boost that you can wear pretty much every day. It's a very neutral colorway. And yeah, huge thank you to Adidas for sending these over. Oh, and by the way, in the past, the original Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0s, they did not have a continental sole, so the sole, you know, would get pretty destroyed pretty quickly if you wore them regularly. However, this time with the updated versions that they're releasing now, they actually have a continental sole, which will make the sneakers last much longer. So big plus if you are copping the second time around. So let me throw these sneakers on feet and I'll be right back to tell you guys about the Yeezy giveaway and show you guys the final Adidas 4D sneaker pickup. So before we get to the Adidas 4D pickup, let's talk about the Yeezy giveaway for Christmas. This giveaway is only going to last for this week, okay? At the end of the year is when I'm going to announce the winner. I'm announcing the winner on January 1st, and they're gonna be for a pair of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. These are a size 10. If it's not your size, you can trade them, you can sell them, you can do whatever you want with them. This giveaway is open international, and it's nothing crazy, but some heat. My favorite Yeezy Boost from Adidas, besides the 750s, we have the Zebra Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, brand new, dead stock, really clean, really fresh. And I actually regret not selling my old beat up pair before the restock, because I basically could have gotten just a brand new pair and made some money potentially by selling my old pair, but I didn't. I still have my OG pair and I still love those a lot. So thank you, Adidas, for sending over those zebras. To enter the giveaway for this sneaker, it's going to be very, very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that red button down below. Subscribe to my second YouTube channel, SneakerTalk 365. Over on there, we're going to do reviews and discussions and unboxings. So subscribe to my second channel. I really hope you guys enjoy the content over on there, and turn on notifications for both channels. Hit that bell, and it's super, super easy. And the final way to enter on this giveaway is to hit that thumbs up button down below, hit the like button, and comment down below your favorite sneaker pickup from this video. And of course, in your comment, include your Instagram so I can contact you if you won. My Instagram is @SneakerTalkCA, so you can follow me over on there as well. We also run some giveaways, and I post sneaker photos and outfit photos over on there. So if you're a little confused with the giveaway, it should be pretty straightforward. I'll leave the instructions in the pinned comment and in the description down below. Again, entry is free and it's worldwide, so hopefully someone will enjoy a nice free pair of Yeezys. With that said, I'm announcing the winners for the Sesame giveaways over on Instagram later today. And now we can put this away and get to the 4D shoes in this box right here. Oh my gosh, I have not actually tried on a pair of 4D sneakers ever, and let me slide that box out of the way. So here we go. Got the paper out of the way. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Here we have it, guys. These are the Adidas Alpha Edge 4D shoes. These released not too long ago, and I actually tried to buy these in store, but they did not have my size. When I went to Foot Action to buy these, they only had size 8 and 13, and I was really disappointed because I wanted to buy them and do a review for you guys, but Adidas has come through. They've come through, and in turn, they saved me $450, because I think that's the retail price, or $350. Either way, I'll have the Canadian and retail price up on screen right now. These are some very, very expensive shoes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys have been really supportive all year long, and this is just a really awesome way to end off the year with my first 4D printed sneaker. And it is straight from Adidas. So I will do a full review over on SneakerTalk 365 for a bunch of other shoes, but this is a shoe I'll be doing a review on this channel. So my Alpha Edge 4D review coming soon. We have a white knit upper right here. We have the 4D printed midsole. It looks really, really clean. These are super, super fresh, super nice. I'm very, very stoked to have these in my collection. I know a lot of you guys are curious about 4D. Is it worth the price? You know, how does it feel compared to Boost? I'll let you guys know all of that very, very soon. So subscribe with notifications on. So there you guys have it. That's my final pickup for today's Christmas haul. I'll actually have part 2 up on the channel tomorrow. So if you guys want to get a second Yeezy entry, those are going to be the only like 2 ways you can enter, by commenting on this video and my Christmas haul part 2 video. So yeah, subscribe, red button down below. And I hope you guys have a Merry, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, sending some good vibes your way. And not to end it on a sad note kind of thing, but this was the first year I'm celebrating Christmas without my grandpa, because my grandpa passed away. And if you are, you know, going through a holiday season that you don't have a specific loved one, I'm sending extra love your way. Anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.